Hi there, on today's video I will show you how to get your LG TV back to the default picture settings. Luckily there's a menu setting on both newer and older LG TVs that allow you to automatically regain the original picture settings. On newer LG TVs you hit the setting button on the remote and then you need to scroll down to all settings. Through the picture menu, go to advanced settings, and then you can see the reset button. The reset button will change all the picture settings back to the factory default settings. On the older model LG TVs, you hit the setting button on the remote, head down to all settings, and then we need to scroll down to general, and then we choose reset to initial settings. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope that it helped you get the LG TV back to its default picture settings. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to receive more tech fixes and tips.